The holidays can be magical, but they can also be overwhelming. Between all the to-do lists, the work, and the rush, sometimes we forget to pause, to just breathe, to create something just for ourselves. That's why I'm starting a 14-day creative journey. Christmas cards made easy. Each day, we'll paint one simple Christmas illustration together, step by step. Starts November 8th. Join me for 14 days of watercolor joy. Even if you never painted before, this series is made for you. My brush practice sheets will help you gain confidence through repetition, so your hand, your brush, and your mind start moving in harmony. It's not about perfection, it's about connection. Confidence is built one brushstrokes at a time. And don't worry, you don't need anything fancy to start. Here's everything you'll need for this series. A few sheets of printer paper, perfect for warming up. Some watercolor paper. It doesn't need to be the best quality. Your watercolors, any kind you already have. A couple of round brushes, size whatever you have, maybe 2, 4, 6, work great. A liner brush, number 2. This is just an idea, okay? Don't worry if you don't have them all. And a filbert, number 6 or 8, if you have one. 2 cups of water, 1 for rinsing and 1 for clean. A towel or paper towel, a pencil and eraser, soft or kneaded, a palette, plastic, ceramic, or even a plate you don't use in the kitchen anymore. Some golden or shimmery color, and of course, your brush practice sheets, printed and ready to warm up. Every day, we'll paint something new, small, joyful, and full of holiday spirit. From trees and wreaths to stars and berries, you'll build your watercolor confidence one day at a time. By the end, you'll have a collection of beautiful Christmas designs ready to become handmade cards for your loved ones. Make this Christmas personal. Gift what you create. And if you'd love to learn how to turn these illustrations into real cards, join my Christmas watercolor cards class on November 22nd. It will be a workshop I'm sure you'll love. Everyone who joins will receive a PDF practice pack with all 14 light gray designs, perfect for printing, tracing, and practicing before painting on watercolor paper. Let's make this season about creating, not rushing, about calm, not chaos, about giving something that comes from your heart. Paint calm, give joy, one brushstroke at a time. And if you've ever thought watercolor was too hard, this next video might change your mind. I'll show you how my brush practice sheets can turn simple repetition into calm, joyful progress. I'm so glad you're here. I'll see you in the next video. And until then, keep playing.